The reality is companies like Lucas and companies that work in this heritage sector work so hard, they work tirelessly to bring in apprentices, to up-train skills, to deliver the workforce that we're going to need, not just for today and tomorrow, but for years to come, for generations. We've forgotten so much of our heritage, and it is so important that we keep those flames burning and keep it ignited. I'm very, very excited. In partnering with Lucas, working together, we can really create something very, very special. You know, I need, around me, a fantastic team. We can all compose, but actually without the orchestra, you don't make music. And every single instrumentalist in there is equally important. I'm never let down when I meet the team of Lucas, and I'm absolutely delighted to walk into this building and to witness the awe-inspiring engineering, and the whole scale of what we got is quite something. With the team of experts and with the team of highly skilled craftsmen, there's absolutely no question that the 21st century needs to move into and look after, embody somewhat our historical past. To meet the Lucas team that have been dedicated here for months and months and months, and to witness the work and craftsmanship they're delivering is such an exciting prospect, and I am really looking forward to working here and coming back and assisting these guys get to the end.